Hi all, very happy evening to all the viewers who are watching this video. Very happy evening for all the viewers from ANC team. Now before I start the session, very important key point, as most of the students are aware of, today I am going to discuss a very important topic called as removal and replacement. I am going to discuss a very important topic called as removal and replacement. Now this particular topic, removal and replacement, in fact for all the old students who have attended my class, I took so many varieties of questions in a beautiful topic called as averages. Then followed by averages is a beautiful topic once again called as mixtures, wherein I have taken several varieties of questions covering every variety what is possible in terms of mixtures problems. And the continuation of mixtures, there is a very slight difference between mixtures and another topic, and that another topic is called as alligations. Averages, mixtures and alligations I have taken in detail in my previous YouTube sessions. And I believe that each and every enrolled student of ANC, I believe that they have watched all these videos at their comfortable time, and they have watched it as many times as possible to understand each and every concept in the most beautiful way possible. Now these three topics whatever I have discussed, the next topic in the same domain is nothing but removal and replacement. And this removal and replacement is what I am going to discuss in this today's topic. My sincere request to each and every student who is listening to the class is kindly share this YouTube link to as many people as possible, sir. Kindly share this YouTube link. I will give you the next 1 minute of time. Kindly share this YouTube link to as many people as possible. My also sincere request, one more sincere request is, like the way I have kept the YouTube link as my WhatsApp status, it is just for 1.5 hours. I request you people also to keep it as WhatsApp status, so that every student who is actually struggling to solve an aptitude problem, I am sure that after this session they will start loving aptitude and they will probably make it very beautiful in solving aptitude problem. Kindly share this YouTube link, sir. Before this, as I would always ask in my sessions, kindly check for any technical issues. Is there any issue with audio? Is there any issue with video? Kindly update me right now itself if there are any issues with audio or video. If there are any issues, update me right now itself, sir. Next 1 minute of time, I request each and every student to share this YouTube link with as many students as possible. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir, if there are any audio and video issue. In the next 1.5 minute of time, we will start a very beautiful topic called as removal and replacement. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. It's a very less number of students, 20 plus students. This is something which I am not expecting from my students. An extremely important topic which actually deserves a lot of attention, and many people are not listening to this class. I don't know what might be the reason. Anyway, let us not worry too much about them. First, my request is, people who are present for the class, kindly comment in the live chat if there are any technical issues. If there are no technical issues, at least comment in the live chat saying that there are no technical issues, so that I will understand. I will start the class immediately in the next 1 minute of time. Kindly comment, sir. I am waiting for each and every student's comment. Kindly comment in the live chat. Kindly comment in the live chat. I am still waiting for your comments, sir. If you think that there is no requirement for you to comment anything, I will never ask you again. It's been 3 or 4 times I am asking you to comment in the live chat. My sincere request, please comment in the live chat before I start solving this beautiful topic on removal and replacement. Chalo sir, most of the people say that there is no issues. Let me start the class immediately. Let us start a very important topic called as removal and replacement. Very important topic, sir. It is after averages, mixtures and allegations. The next topic, which is a continuation of allegations, averages and mixtures, is nothing. It also takes so many questions which were original examination questions as well. Do not miss out the class at any point of a time, because you will understand the importance of this particular topic as I keep on proceeding with my class. Listen to this carefully, sir. Removal and replacement. Now, before I start with removal and replacement, first let me take a very small example for only removal. Forget about replacement, sir. Let us not replace anything at this present moment. Let us not worry about replacements. We will only concentrate on removal part for the next couple of minutes, and then after understanding removal, we will come back to that removal and replacement, and we will see how beautifully we can solve removal and replacement problems. Now see here, sir, I will take a very easy example for your better understanding. Suppose I have a vessel. This is the vessel which I have written on the screen right now. Suppose I have a vessel. Assume that I have an initial volume of 1000 ml inside the vessel, and I will take that this entire 1000 ml is pure milk. That means there is no other liquid present inside the vessel, only pure milk is present. That means there is no adulteration, there is nothing added to the milk, it is completely pure. I have initially 1000 ml of pure milk. So what I will do is, right now I am discussing only a concept called as removal. Let me keep on removing some things, and then let me worry about replacement at the later stage. Now what I will do is, first step, I will take out 100 ml of milk from this vessel. I will take out 100 ml of milk from this vessel. Now again I will take out another 100 ml of milk from this vessel. First I took 100 ml of milk from the vessel. Second step also, again I will take another 100 ml of milk from the vessel. Third step also, I will say that I will take out 100 ml of milk from the vessel. That means out of total 1000 ml, I took 100 ml, I again took 100 ml, for the third time also I took 100 ml of milk. My question for you is, what is the final volume of milk? What is the final volume of milk inside the vessel? What is the final volume of milk inside the vessel? That is my question for you. Now, this is a very easy answer for every student who is listening to the class, because the problem what I have taken is a very easy question. Right? Now see here, sir. It is very simple for you to tell that. Suppose for example, if I want to find the final volume of milk, initial volume of milk is nothing but 1000 ml. From this 1000 ml, I removed 100 ml initially. Again I am removing 100 ml. Removal is nothing but subtraction, which you are already aware of. Again I am removing 100 ml. That means out of total 1000 ml, I removed 300 ml of milk. So total final volume which is present inside the vessel is, final volume of milk present inside the vessel is, it is 1000 minus 300, which is nothing but 700 ml. Now you might get it out, sir, why are you discussing such a very easy question? This happened to be one of the most easiest question, because it is nothing but subtraction what we have studied in class 1 or class 2. I have studied in subtraction in my first or second standard itself. Why are we more interested in this method? Why are we discussing this particular problem? Just keep on listening to my class, sir. Do not conclude anything for the next few minutes. You will understand everything. I will connect the dot between each and every problem, and I will make sure that some of the difficult tricky questions you will solve it in the most easiest way possible. Now, final volume of milk in this question is 1000 minus 300, which is 700 ml. But this happens to be a very easy question, and therefore the answer also is very easy methodology. You got this answer in one of the most easiest method. Let me call this as method 1. Right? Let me call this as method 1. Now, before I go for removal and replacement, I want to teach each and every student a very important and an interesting method. That method is called as method 2. Usually what we call it as ANC way of solving. Anil Nair classes way of solving. Now listen to this carefully, sir. What is this method 2? What is this method 2 I am talking about? A very important key point is present in method 2. Only with this important key point, we will solve some extraordinarily difficult questions in our next 1 hour of our class to make sure that we will understand removal and replacement in the most easiest way possible. What is that key point? This key point says, always work with the parameter. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now, if I take this question, whatever I have written on the screen in my previous screen, let me show it to you right now. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now, first of all, in this particular question, how many parameters are there? There is only one parameter, and that parameter is nothing but milk. And what is the parameter which is taken outside? Which is the parameter which is taken outside? The parameter which is taken outside is nothing but the parameter which is decreasing, right? Because that is coming out of the vessel, so it is decreasing. That means you are taking out milk outside the vessel. That means milk is the parameter which is decreasing. Anyway, in this question, there is only one parameter. So let us not worry about this question as of now. I am talking in general. Whenever there are more than one parameters, always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now, milk is decreasing in this particular question. So, I am finding the final volume of milk. I am trying to find the final volume of milk. How will you find the final volume of milk? Listen to this carefully, sir. Initial volume is 1000. I am going very slow in my first question, because if you understand method 2 for this question, rest all next 1 hour all the problems will become cakewalk for you, sir. That is the reason I am spending too much of time in explaining this method 2 in a very easy question. Initial volume is 1000. Write it as 1000. 1000 into, now observe carefully. Observe carefully. This is very important. Now can I say that initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present. Out of this 1000 ml of pure milk, I am taking out 100 ml of milk outside. I am taking 100 ml of milk outside. That means out of 1000 ml of milk, 100 ml of milk is taken out. That means 100 out of 1000. That is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is taken outside. 1 by 10 is taken outside. If I take out 1 by 10 from outside the vessel, what is present inside the vessel? I am talking about what is the final volume of milk inside the vessel. If I take out 1 by 10 outside, what is present inside? Inside present is 9 by 10, because 9 by 10 is nothing but out of total parameter 1, I am removing 1 by 10. 1 minus 1 by 10 is nothing but 9 by 10, or in simple language, 9 by 10 plus 1 by 10 should give you 1. That is nothing but the entire parameter. That means in simple language, I am taking 100 out of 1000. 100 out of 1000 is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is taken outside. If I take out 1 by 10, how much is remaining inside the vessel? I am very much interested in knowing how much is present inside the vessel. Remaining 9 by 10 is present. 9 by 10 is nothing but total minus 1 by 10 taken out. That means I will write here as a remaining part 9 by 10. Now, if you observe carefully, if I take out 100, remaining is 900 inside the vessel right now, right? Remaining is 900 inside the vessel. Now, again, same logic I would like to implement, sir. There is no change in the approach. Out of 900 which is present, right now 900 is present. Out of 900 which is present, I will take out 100 ml of milk outside. That means out of 900, 100 is taken out. 100 by 900 is nothing but 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is taken outside. What is present inside? 8 by 9, because 8 by 9 plus 1 by 9 is only 1 only, right? So it is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 9. That means I will write here as remaining present is 8 by 9. Similarly, I would say that at this point of a time, out of 1,100 taken outside, 900 remaining. Out of 900, 100 taken outside, 800 remaining. Now tell the same logic, sir, once again. If I use the same logic once again, 800 is present inside the vessel. Out of 800 which is remaining, I will take out 100 ml of milk outside. That means 100 out of 800 is taken out. 1 by 8 is taken outside. If I take 1 by 8, remaining is nothing but 7 by 8. Because 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is only 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is 1. That means remaining present inside is 7 by 8. 8 cancels. 10 cancels with 1000, 9 cancels, 100 into 7 is nothing but 700. The final volume of milk which is present inside the vessel is how much? It is 700 ml. Yes, I do agree the fact that method 1 is more simpler than method 2 for this particular problem. But again I repeat, it is only for this particular problem. As I move on to removal and replacement, you will understand why method 2 is one of the most easiest method to be implemented, and you will damn sure start implementing method 2 rather than using method 1 in all your problems on removal and replacement. First of all, let me know. Kindly comment in the live chat and let me know. Is this concept of removal clear for you people? Forget about removal and replacement. I am there to help you people. First of all, comment in the live chat if removal is clear. Method 1 should be very clear. I am more interested in asking you people, is method 2 for removal clear for you? Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat. Yes, Vijay, let me check for this echo issue. Is the audio clear now, sir? Is the audio clear? Vijay, Hamid. Is the audio clear? I am still in a very basic question. It's a very basic question. I will slowly scale up the level of difficulty. Just have that supreme confidence in Anil Nair classes content. We will take you to the next level in solving aptitude, reasoning and verbal questions. Ranjit, method 1 should be very clear for every student. I am not interested in method 1. I am more interested in asking every student, is method 2 clear? I am very much interested in method 2 because method 2 is something, is what we will use in all our problems, in our upcoming problems. Is method 2 clear, sir? Is method 2 clear? Now first of all, is everyone facing a huge audio issue? Is it a very minor audio issue or it is little higher audio issue? If it is a little minor echo issue, my sincere request, please ignore it for the time being, sir. Please ignore it for the time being. It will automatically be resolved as the class proceeds. But if it is a very major issue which students cannot understand at all, then I need to check it out. Minor audio issue, please ignore, sir. My sincere request. Chalo, sir. First of all, do I need, any person need a repetition for method 2? I believe method 2 is very clear. I am stressing this point again and again because you will understand the importance of method 2 in the next few minutes of class. I believe method 2 should be very clear. I have still not yet started removal and replacement. My sincere request, if you have not shared the YouTube link with your friends, kindly share it right away, sir. Kindly share it right away because I will start removal and replacement in the next few minutes of class so that you will understand how beautifully it can be tackled. Now, first of all, now see here. Suppose if I take out 8 by 9 of mixture outside. If I take out 8 by 9, remaining is 1 by 9, because 8 by 9 plus 1 by 9 is 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is 1. Suppose if I take 7 by 8 outside, remaining is 1 by 8. Suppose if I take 3 by 5 outside, remaining is 2 by 5. I hope you are understanding this logic, because 3 plus which number is 5? That is how I am thinking, sir. Simple. 3 plus which number is 5? 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus which number is 9? 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus which number is 8? 7 plus 1 is 8. Suppose, tell me the answer for this. If I take 13 and here I will take 10. 10 by 13 I have taken outside. What is remaining inside? It is nothing but 3 by 13, because 10 plus which number is 13? 10 plus 3 is 13. I hope this is very clear for you. Shubham, I will move, sir. I will move forward. I know it, but only thing is that students should be very clear with all these concepts as well before I start moving for removal and replacement. Method 2 should be very clear. Praveen Kumar, do not worry about it. I will explain once again this method 2 in my removal and replacement problems. I will explain it once again, sir. No worries about it. Definitely, for sure, I will explain method 2 once again. In detail I will explain method 2 in my removal and replacement. Now, I personally believe that every student is very clear with only removal. That means if you observe this question, I am only removing something outside. I am not replacing. That means I am not adding back something inside. This particular problem is only removal, because only process what I am doing is taking something outside of the vessel. What if I put inside something? That is nothing but removal and replacement. Now let us start with this very important topic called as removal and replacement. I will not only remove something in this case, but I will also make it as a habit to replace it with some other solution, so that becomes a question on removal and replacement. Everybody please pay complete attention for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Beautiful shortcuts will unfold in the next 10 to 15 minutes. Never seen ways of shortcuts, sir. Listen to this very carefully. Now see here. I will start with my first question in removal and replacement. First question in removal and replacement. First of all, let us read the entire question, and then I will again read the question, but not completely at one stretch. Later on, I will read part by part. First, let me read the entire question once. Question says, from a can containing 1000 ml of milk, 100 ml of milk is removed and replaced by 100 ml of water. That is the first statement. Then 100 ml of solution is removed and replaced by 100 ml of water. That is the second statement. Next statement says, again 100 ml of solution is removed and replaced by 100 ml of water. And the final statement says, the question says, what is the final volume of milk and water in the resultant can? What is the final volume of milk and water in the resultant can? Listen to this carefully, sir. Everyone please pay complete attention here. Let me understand the question, and let me also make you people understand the question. Now, there is a vessel, or in general there is a can, right? There is a can. Now, what is that they are saying is, from a can containing 1000 ml milk, that means initial volume of this can is, it is 1000 ml pure milk. Nothing is added. It is completely pure milk inside the vessel initially. 1000 ml of pure milk is present inside the vessel. The statement says 100 ml of milk is removed. I am taking out 100 ml of milk. I am taking out 100 ml of milk outside and replaced by 100 ml of water. I took out 100 ml of milk. I am replacing that. That means I am adding 100 ml of water into the vessel. This is nothing but removal and replacement. I am taking out 100 ml of milk. I am adding 100 ml of water. Now, think little logically, sir. Everyone should have this basic minimum understanding or common sense, saying that earlier it was completely pure milk. Now I added some other liquid called as water into the milk. The milk and water are combined together inside the can right now. That means now it is no more pure milk inside the vessel. It is no more pure milk inside the vessel. It is a solution or a mixture which is present inside the vessel right now. It is no more pure milk. It is a solution, combination of two liquids. One is milk, another is water. Or it is a mixture, anything, whatever you want. That means now the mixture of milk and water is present inside the vessel. Read the next statement. Then 100 ml of solution is removed. Yes, I will take out 100 ml of solution outside. I will take out 100 ml of solution outside and replace it by 100 ml of water. I will again add back 100 ml of water. I am replacing it by 100 ml of water. Next, what is the next statement says? Again 100 ml of solution is removed. I will once again take out 100 ml of solution. Beautiful question. Listen to this carefully. I will once again take out 100 ml of solution and replace it by 100 ml of water. I will once again add 100 ml of water into the vessel. This is the operation which I am performing. Your question is, what is the final volume of milk and water in the resultant can? What is the final volume of milk? What is the final volume of water? This is what they are asking you in the question. I believe the question is very clear for you people. I believe that the question is very clear. 100 ml of milk is taken out initially, added 100 ml of water. Now it is solution. 100 ml of solution is taken out, added 100 ml of water. Again 100 ml of solution is taken out, added 100 ml of water. But please remember, initially it was only pure milk of 1000 ml which was present inside the vessel. Now listen to this carefully, sir. I believe the question is clear. I will solve this question in two methods. Sir, which method should I use? It is completely up to you, but I am damn sure that you will start using method 2, which is ANC methodologies. I think you will understand method 2 better once I start solving two questions. Listen to this carefully. Do not worry about method 2 at this present moment. Now let me create a table. Method 1 is your textbook way of solving, which is little time consuming, but that is still okay with me as long as I can make my students understand. There are two parameters. One is milk, other is water. And let me keep the third column as the total volume present inside the vessel, right? Total volume present inside the vessel or the can. Now, initially 1000 ml of milk is present. No water initially. So, total volume is 1000 ml, right? Total volume is 1000 ml. Now listen carefully, sir. Now, everyone please concentrate and understand it little carefully. What is that they are saying is, initially 1000 ml of milk was present. I am taking out 100 ml of milk outside. I am taking out 100 ml of milk outside. That means 100 out of 1000 is taken outside. 100, I am writing it for the last time probably. 100 out of 1000 is taken outside. That means 1 by 10 is taken outside. If 1 by 10th of the milk is taken outside, how much milk is present inside right now? Milk present inside is remaining 9 by 10, because 1 by 10 plus 9 by 10 is nothing but 1. That means out of 1000, 100 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. That means milk is nothing but out of 1000 which was present earlier, now only 9 by 10 of milk is present inside. 1 by 10 was taken outside. Vedant, please do not I do not expect you to answer beta. Please avoid posting the answers in the live chat, which will disturb the flow of the class. Keep your answers with yourself. Validate the answer once the problem is completed. My sincere request for every student. Out of 1000, 1 by 10 is taken out. 9 by 10 is remaining. So 100. So it is 100 into 9. That means 900 milk is present inside right now. I will add, next step says add 100 ml of water. That means I will add 100 ml of water. 900 plus 100. Once again the total volume becomes 1000. Once again the total volume becomes 1000. Now listen to the next statement, sir. See the next statement. Now I have added water into the vessel. Because I have added water into the vessel, it is no more a pure milk right now. It is a solution or a mixture. Now listen carefully. Solution or a mixture means I am taking out 100 ml of solution outside. Solution is nothing but a combination of both milk and water. That means, can I say that right now can I say that how much is present inside right now? How much milk is present inside? 900 ml of milk is present inside right now. And how much water is present? 100 ml of water is present inside right now. Now think logically. 100 ml of solution is taken out. That means I can say that total volume till again now is 1000 itself. Total volume happens to be 1000 right now also. That means 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. That means 1 by 10 is taken outside once again. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. That means 900 is multiplied by the remaining factor called as 9 by 10. So 0 cancels. 9 into 9 is 81. Followed by one more 0. Now same logic here also. 100 ml of solution is taken out. That means 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 9 by 10. That means 9 by 10 of milk is present. Same thing, 9 by 10 of water is also present. 0 cancels. I can say right now as 10 into 9 as 90. Now step number 3 is completed. Step number 1, 2, 3 are completed. What is step number 4? I am adding 100 ml of water once again. That means the present value of water inside the vessel is 90. I will add another 100 ml of water. So now the present value of water inside is 190. If you want, check it out. 810 plus 190. Again the total volume happens to be 1000 itself. Once again the total volume is 1000, sir. Total volume remains constant unless they change it, right? It is 1000. That means now the total volume is once again 1000. How many steps are completed? 4 steps are absolutely no doubt, without any hesitation, it is completed. Now come to step number 5. Now 1000 ml of solution is present inside the vessel. Now again step number 5 says 100 ml of solution is taken outside. That means 100 out of 1000 is taken out. Same drama, sir. Same drama. No other changes. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. That means milk present right now is 810. And present milk is, when I take out 1 by 10, remaining is 9 by 10. So this is 10 cancels. 81 into 9, it is 729. Water at present is 190 and 9 by 10 of water is present inside. So 0 cancels. 19 into 9 is 171. So at this particular point, 5 steps are very clear. There are totally 5 steps which are completed. Please come to the last step of this problem. The final step says I want to add 100 ml of water. That means water right now in the vessel is 171. I will add another 100 ml. So final water becomes 271. If you want, check it out. 729 plus 271. That also happens to be 1000 ml of final solution, total solution. That means question says what is the total volume of final volume of milk present? It is 729 ml. What is the final volume of water present? It is 271 ml, which is rightly said by Vedant, which is rightly said by him, sir. Right? Answer for this question is 729 ml milk is present finally. 271 ml water is present finally. But the biggest problem with this method one is it is a tabular method. It is a very time consuming method. If we use this method, we will take too much of time in our examination. And ANC will always teach you one thing, saying that anything which will kill your time in your examination, please kill that method in yourself. Please kill that method, sir. I don't want my student to use all these stupid approaches which is given in some textbook and some other YouTube channels. Please throw away all these methods. But why did I teach you this method? I taught you this method for you to realize that this is a time consuming method, and let us switch on to method 2, which is nothing but ANC way of solving. But before I switch on to method 2, Kindly comment in the live chat if method 1 is clear, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat. First comment in the live chat if method 1 is clear. After method 1 is clear, I will switch on to method 2. Method 2 is the most easiest method that any person can solve it with respect to removal and replacement problems. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat. Let me see all the chats I have not seen from the starting. Many people have said good afternoon, no technical issues, no issues, sir, no problem. Some people have asked me to start the class. Sahiti is asking, sir, how can I get the other classes, another classes that I will explain you as the class proceeds. Do not worry about it, or at the end of the class I will explain you. Vijay has asked me saying that there is an echo issue. I think there is no echo issue right now. Hamid says audio is clear now. Arvind asked me to repeat method 2, which I will repeat in removal and replacement. Arvind, do not worry about it. Praveen, I will repeat method 2, do not worry about it. Beautiful. Method 1, everyone is clear. Everyone is clear with method 1. Now listen to this very, very beautiful method. Method 2. Method 2. ANC way of solving. ANC way of solving. It will ease your problem to the greatest extent, sir. It will very much ease your problem to the greatest extent. Listen to this carefully. Method 2. Now, in my removal concept itself, I wrote a very important key point. Let me write it once again. There is no harm in writing. Always work with the parameter. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now listen to this carefully, sir. In my removal concept, there was only one parameter, milk, in that particular question. So it is very evident that milk only should decrease in that question. Now listen carefully. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now there are two parameters in this question. One of the parameter is milk and the other parameter is water. Two parameters are there. Which is the parameter that is decreasing? I am taking milk outside the vessel. If I am taking milk outside the vessel, then milk is the parameter that is decreasing. I am adding water inside the vessel. That means water is the parameter that is increasing. But the key point says we should work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now listen carefully, sir. Let me write the diagram once again so that I don't need to keep on going back again and again. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present inside the vessel. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk. 100 ml of milk is taken outside and 100 ml of water is added inside the vessel. Now it becomes a solution. I will take out 100 ml of solution outside the vessel. I will add 100 ml of water to the vessel once again. Next, I will take out 100 ml of solution outside the vessel once again. And lastly, I will add 100 ml of water again. Now, your question is, find the final volume of milk, find the final volume of water. Now, always work with the parameter which is decreasing. In this particular question, milk is the parameter that is taken out, so that is decreasing. So let me write inside the bracket here as milk, which is for this question. Don't think that every question milk is the parameter that is decreasing. It depends on the question. You can easily identify whichever is taken out, that is the parameter that is decreasing. Now listen carefully, sir. It is a one-liner answer if you have understood the concept. It hardly takes one line, and it will hardly take probably around 15 seconds for me to explain also. Anyway, let me explain in detail first question. Now see here, milk is the parameter. I am finding final volume of milk. Initial volume of milk is 1000 ml. Let me write 1000 initially. Initial volume of milk is 1000. Next, multiplied by same logic. 100 ml of milk is taken out of 1000 ml of milk. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. That means 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. I will write only 9 by 10 multiplied with. I added 100 once again. So final total volume once again became 1000 at this point of a time. Same logic once again. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Present inside is 9 by 10. Write down that 9 by 10. Again I added 100 ml of water. Again at this point it became 1000 ml total volume. Same logic once again. 100 ml is taken out of 1000 ml. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 9 by 10. If you check it here, 1000, 10 into 10 into 10 is nothing but 1000. 1000 will cancel with 1000 and 9 cube is nothing but 729. Out of total 1000, milk is nothing but 729. Water is nothing but 1000 minus 729, which is nothing but 271. You only find it, sir. I am not telling you what is the method 1, which is a method which will kill your time, and how beautiful a method 2 can be there, which is created by ANC. I hope you are understanding the difference between method 1 and method 2. And only for this reason, sir, I am not telling something which is irrelevant. I am telling you that only to explain method 2 beautifully, I have taken so much of time. Although 40 minutes of time has been taken to start the class, I started the class 40 minutes before, but still only one problem is completed. That means you should understand the importance of this session. You should understand the importance of this method 2. Once you understand this method 2, remaining problems are cakewalk. I am telling you, sir, they are all very easy. They are damn easy if you understand this method 2. Remaining problems you will feel very easy and you will keep solving it so fast. I hope the idea is very clear for every student who is listening to the class. First of all, kindly comment in the live chat if both method 1 and method 2 are clear. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. These are all some of the methodologies. You will not find it anywhere. You will not find it anywhere. You want to challenge me? Please challenge me. Most 99.99% you will lose it. You will not find it anywhere, sir. That is the reason initially I told, please share the YouTube link with as many students. Let other students also get benefited out of this free session. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Satvik says it is clear. Lakshmikant, your doubt says here there is solution. Solutions means both milk and water, right? Why are you taking only milk parameter then? That means that doubt, I know that students will ask this doubt. That is the reason I explained very clearly beta in method 1. 9 by 10 here also, 9 by 10 here also, 9 by 10 here also, 9 by 10 here also. That means 9 by 10 will be there for both milk and water. But because I am writing only, because I am interested in only milk parameter, I will only write that value. I am not worried about this 9 by 10 in water. Hamid, have some patience, sir. I am still in first problem. You will understand. Your doubt will be automatically cleared as I take more and more problems. Most of the students says it is clear, although not everyone has mentioned in the live chat, but I still believe that it is clear for most of the students. That is the first question. Now listen carefully, sir. Now listen carefully. Now observe carefully. The beauty about this method is, the beauty about ANC way of solving is, now see here. Now see here. What is the first question? Let me write the first question once again, because I want to connect the dots between the problem. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present. I am taking out 100 ml of milk. I will add 100 ml of water, which you already know it, right? Which you already know it. Now it became solution. I will take out 100 ml of solution. Again I will add 100 ml of water. Next again, once again I will take out 100 ml of solution and I will add 100 ml of water. Now your question is, find the final volume of milk and water. That was your question. Now listen carefully, sir. My first question says, in my first question I told you that 1000 ml of pure milk is present. I am taking out 100 ml, adding 100 ml, taking out 100 ml, adding 100 ml, taking out 100 ml, adding 100 ml. That means all the values which are taken out and the values which are added, both are same values. Taking out value is also 100, added value is also 100. I am not changing the values in my first question. That means everywhere it is 100, 100, 100 written 6 times. Now see the problem 2. Now see how I will connect the dots in creating another beautiful question. Listen carefully, sir. Forget about the question. I will explain you the question. I will explain you the question in diagram itself. Don't read the question and waste your time. I will explain it in diagram itself. Your vessel has, initially the vessel is having 100 ml of pure milk. Initially the vessel is having 100 ml of pure milk. What I will do is, in this 100 ml of pure milk, first I will take out 100 ml of milk outside and I will add 10 ml of milk outside I will take out. I will add 10 ml of water. Now it became solution. Next, I will not take out 10 ml once again like my previous problem. I will change the numerical values. I will take out 20 ml of solution. I will add 20 ml of water. I will add 20 ml of water. Next, I will take out 30 ml of solution. I will add 30 ml of water. Your question is, find the final volume of milk inside the vessel. Sir, can I find water also? Yes. From 100 subtract milk, you will get water. That is not a big deal, sir. Anyway, now I hope the question is clear. Now if you observe carefully, the values are changing. First it is 10 taken out, 10 added. 20 taken out, 20 added. 30 taken out, 30 added. The values are changing right now. Now, same logic, sir. I will not go to method 1 and waste my time and your time also. I will directly switch on to beautiful ANC methodology. The method says, always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now, the decreasing parameter in this question also is milk. I am finding the final volume of milk. Initial volume of milk is 100. Write down that 100. Same logic, sir. 10 out of 100 is taken out. That means 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. Now, you took out 10, but you added 10 water. That means total volume again became 90 plus 10, which is 100 right now. Now, same logic once again, sir. Once again, same logic. Let me use a different color so that you will also identify it easier. Now as of now 100 ml of solution is present. 20 out of 100 is taken out. 20 out of 100 is nothing but 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 8 by 10. 2 by 10 is taken outside. Remaining is 8 by 10. That means 20 is taken out. It became 80. Again 20 water is added. Again it became 100. Now 30 out of 100 is taken out. 30 out of 100 is nothing but 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is how much? Remaining is 7 by 10. 100 will cancel with 100. 9 into 80 is 72. 72 into 7 is nothing but 504. 504 divided by 10. Answer for this question is, milk final quantity is nothing but 50.4 ml. I believe that method 2 is making you to solve the fast questions in the most fastest way possible. I hope the idea is very clear, sir. Do not worry. You will fall in love with content, sir. You will. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt. Probably the couple of students who have probably unliked it in this particular video, or maybe are people who might be our competitors, or maybe the students who don't have patience. They think that I am explaining too much slow. The reason behind explaining too much slow for you people is only for you to understand. Otherwise I can go very fast. I hope this question is very clear for every student, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat once again. It should be very, very clear. Hamid says it is clear. Tejas Kumar says it is clear. I expect comment from all the 60 plus students, not 4 or 5 people or 10 students comment and other people just keep on sitting in the class listening without commenting. My sincere request, sir, please comment so that I will also understand that every student is actually understanding the concept. Kindly comment, sir. I am waiting for your comments. Slowly I will. slowly I will keep on changing the varieties of questions. Only thing I expect from a student who is listening for ANC is you should be patient and keep on listening to all the problems. You will have tremendous confidence in aptitude. Lalit, sir, what if I remove 10 and add 8? Hold on, Lalit. Karthik, once again explain. Please listen to my third question, which is similar to second question, Karthik. Hamid, will there be classes every day at 6 o'clock? It depends, Hamid, because there are lakhs and lakhs of students who have enrolled for our courses. For all the people who have enrolled for our courses, I think we need to do a lot of justice. We are working so hard for all the enrolled students. We are trying to give so much of extra content. So we are recording the content in the back end. There are so many topics which will not take it free of cost. We will record it in the back end and we will upload it for only the enrolled students so that they will get benefited out of it, right? Because they are the students who has a lot of tremendous trust on us and they have invested on their own career with us. So it is our responsibility to take care. So it depends whether I will be taking every day 6 o'clock class or not. It depends. Anil Pandey, yes, it is live class. You are seeing live, right, sir? Vedant, how to enroll? You can call me after the class is completed to my number, Vedant. I'll just share my number. Let me introduce most of the people. There might be a lot of new students who are listening to the class for the first time. Maybe my class for the first time also. This is my number 7795734445. My name is Ajay. I am the director and co-founder of Anil Nair classes. After Anil Nair sir, who is my guru, who is my CEO, who is the CEO of this company. After Anil Nair sir, the second person in this organization is myself, and this is my number. You can call me right after the class, but we will keep all those things later, sir. Whatever is happening right now with a live class, Anil, and this class also will be uploaded for all the enrolled students who has enrolled recently. I think from January 10th or February 10th, I don't remember the date. Whoever has enrolled from January 10th or February 10th, I exactly don't remember the date. For all those people, there is a separate package. Whoever has purchased Anil sir's special package, for all those people, this videos will be uploaded. Hamid, hold on. Let us not worry about offers and other things at the present moment. Concentration right now is on class. Concentration right now is only on class. Let us only discuss class. Rest all things we will ignore it at the present moment, sir. I believe second question is clear. Now if you observe second question, okay, let me write both the questions right now. This is the beauty of ANC, sir. You will love the content because we will make every problem connect the dots. And when you connect the dots, learning the problem is never a difficulty. Learning a problem is never a difficulty when you keep on connecting the dots. Now, see here, sir. 1000 ml of pure milk is present. Initial. I am talking about first problem once again. Listen carefully. I will not explain you the problem, but I am writing the question. 100 ml is taken out, 100 ml is added. 100 ml of solution is taken out, 100 ml water is added. 100 ml of solution is taken out, 100 ml of water is added. This is my first question where all the numbers are same. All the numbers, taking out a number and added numbers are same, which I told you. Second question, what was my second question? Initial volume is 100 ml of pure milk. Only milk was present initially, sir. Now, I told you that I will change the numbers in my second question. 10 ml of milk is taken out, 10 ml of water is added. 20 ml of milk is taken out, 20 ml of water is added. 30 ml of solution is taken out, 30 ml of water is added. That means there is a change of numerical values in added part, right? There is a change of numerical values in added part. Now, very recently, one of the student posted this doubt right after second problem was completed. In today's live class itself, one of the students posted this doubt. So what is the doubt? That doubt is nothing but my third problem. Sir, here 10 ml of milk is taken out. You are adding 10 ml of water. Instead of adding the same 10 ml, can I add a different number? That means here all the 6 numbers are same. Here 2 numbers are same. 2 numbers are same. 2 numbers are same. Can I have a question where all the 6 numbers are different? Definitely you can. Definitely you can. and that is how I want you people to learn, by connecting the dots. And that is exactly what we will teach in Anil Nair Classes YouTube channel, and that is exactly what is given for all the enrolled students in all the topics of aptitude, reasoning and verbal. Listen to my third problem, how beautifully I will connect the dots, sir. Don't read the question, it's waste of reading the question. If you listen to my class, I will make the problem very simpler by diagrams itself. Now see here, sir, let me write the diagram, explain it neatly for you. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present. Don't read the question, listen to my question. Right, initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present. What I will do is 100 ml of milk is taken outside. 100 ml of milk is taken out. Instead of adding the same 100 ml once again, what I will do is I will add some other number. 200 ml of water is added. Now it becomes a solution. Now 300 ml of solution is taken outside. I will not add 300. I will add 400 ml of water this time. Again, I will not take something which is the same number 400. I will take 500 ml of solution outside. I will add 600 ml of water. I will add 600 ml of water. Your simple question is, what is the quantity of milk in the solution right now? What is the quantity of milk in the solution right now? Final quantity of milk is the question. Now see here, sir. All the 6 numbers are different. All the 6 numbers are different. Beautiful logic. Same method to what I taught you. I will explain once again. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Milk is decreasing in this question, so I will work with the milk parameter. That means I am finding the final quantity of milk in this question. Initial quantity is 1000. Let me write 1000. Now observe carefully. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. Let me write that 9 by 10. Now 100 out of 1000 is taken out. That means at this present moment it became 1000 minus 100, 900. But I added 200 ml of water. 900 plus 200 is 1100. Now the total volume after step number 2, after adding water, is 1100 or 1100. Same logic once again. 300 out of 1100 is taken out. 300 out of 1100. It is 3 by 11 is taken out. If I take out 3 by 11, remaining inside is 8 by 11, because 3 plus which number is 11? 3 plus 8 is 11. 8 by 11 is remaining inside. Again same explanation. Out of 1100, 300 is taken out. So at this point it became 800 solution. For 800 solution I added 400 water. So at this point, after step number 4, totally 800 plus 400, 1200 total volume is present inside. Again same logic, sir. 500 out of 1200 is taken out. What a beautiful logic here. 500 out of 1200 is taken out. That means 5 by 12 is taken out. Remaining inside is 7 by 12. You don't even have to worry about how much water you have added finally, because you are finding how much milk is present inside. So don't worry about the last step, how much water you have added. It makes no sense also. 0 will cancel. This is 4 into 2, 4 into 3, and 3 into 1, 3 into 3. So your final answer will be 100 into 3 is 300. 300 into 2 is 600. 600 into 7 is 4200. 4200 divided by 11. Answer for this question is 381.81 ml, which is nothing but option C. Is it difficult, sir? I believe that any student who is listening to the class should be proud of yourself, saying that, wow, what a beautiful method here. Wow, what a beautiful method. And this wow factor will be there till the end of your preparation. If you are an enrolled student of ANC, there are more than 200 to 300 to 400 hours of content which is already uploaded for enrolled students. Every problem will only tell you one thing, That one thing is nothing but a wow factor. Wow, what a beautiful logic, what a beautiful method. And it will not only teach you wow factor, it will also teach you how beautifully a problem can be solved in your examination hall also. That is the advantage of being enrolled and not being an enrolled student. And that is the only simple reason lakhs of people are watching ANC enrolled online content. Kindly comment in the live chat if question 3 is clear for you. If question 3 is clear, you should comment in the live chat, sir. There is no other alternative for you to listen than beautiful logics of ANC. You should keep on listening to all these problems. Don't worry, you will master all these concepts as you keep on watching all the videos which is present in our online content. And I remember Anil Pandey is one of the enrolled students. I don't know much about many other students who has commented, but Anil Pandey is definitely one of the enrolled students. Good that he is watching online content, live class also, although this probably might be uploaded for him. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Samir, good to see Samir. Good to see Samir. Good to see you, sir. One of my favorite students, Samir. Lalit, good to see you back. I am taking a class after a long time because of so many other commitments what I had with ANC. Very happy to see all of you, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. I can count the number of people who are commenting in the live chat. Guru has commented, Akshay, Rohit, Lalit, Samir, Creative Minds, and Raju. 7 people out of 70 people. 1 by 10. Same logic here also, sir. 7 out of 70 have commented. 1 by 10 have commented. Remaining 9 by 10 have not commented. What is the problem for remaining 9 by 10? Is there any problem in commenting in the live chat if it is clear or not? My sincere request, please comment, sir. Kindly comment, kindly comment. Some of the people who were commenting earlier are not commenting right now. Sahiti has not commented. Tejas commented just now. Who are the other people? Sahana has not commented. Shubham commented just now. Vedant has not commented till now. Prashant has not commented. Hamid. Prashant also commented just now. Srinivas says it is clear. Manish says it is clear. Swami says it is clear. Good. At least I got little bit of response from other students also who did not comment till now. Let me move forward, sir. Let me move forward. One more similar kind of question for your practice. This is only for your practice. I am taking this 4th question only for your practice, sir. Right? Similar kind of question. Now see here, sir. Now see here. The same question, whatever I have written there, I am putting it in a diagram format. Your question says, okay, let me read the question also. A vessel is full of 80 liters milk. That means initial volume is 80 liters of pure milk. Initial volume is 80 liters of pure milk. Question says, if 10 liters of milk is taken out and replaced by same amount of water, that means 10 liter of milk is taken out and I am replacing it with same liters of water. 10 liter of water is added. Further 16 liters of mixture is taken out, replaced by same water. 16 liter of mixture is taken out. I am replacing it with same water 16 liters once again. Again further 8 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced by same amount of water. Replaced by same amount of water. 8 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced by same amount of water. And the last step says, again further 20 liters of mixture is taken out, replaced by same amount of water. I am taking out 20 liters of mixture and I am replacing it with 20 liters of water. Then your question says, at the end of 4th process, after 4 steps are completed like this, that means 4 different steps. Taking out and adding is one step. according to the question. At the end of fourth process, the amount of water present in the mixture is how much? Now they are not asking you what is the milk present. They are asking you what is the water present. They are asking you what is the water present. Now, even though they are asking you what is the water present, I know the concept that always work with the parameter that is decreasing, and in this question also the parameter that is decreasing is milk. Let me work with milk itself. In the final step, if I want to get water, I will subtract with the total volume 80. Simple. Subtraction is not a difficult task anyway, right? Now let me work out with milk, right? Same logic, sir. Milk is the parameter that is decreasing. Initially 80. Let me write it little smaller so that I can write it, fit it everything in one liner itself. Initially 80. 10 out of 80 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 7 by 10. That means from 80 I took 10. It became 70. I added 10. So it became 70. Sorry, it became 80 once again. Next, 16 out of 80 is taken out. 16 out of 80. 16 into 1 is 16, 16 into 5 is 80. That means 1 by 5 is taken out. Remaining inside is 4 by 5. 16 is taken out. 16 water is added. So total volume once again became 80. 8 out of 80 is taken out. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 10 is 80. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 9 by 10. And you added 8 water once again. Final volume once again became 80. 20 out of 80 is taken out. 20 out of 80 is nothing but 20 into 1, 20 into 4. 1 by 4 is taken outside. Remaining inside is 3 by 4. How beautifully you can solve it in one liner, sir. I hope you are understanding the difference between some local textbook or some other YouTube channels where they follow method 1 and the ANC way of solving, where we actually emphasize you people on solving by using method 2, which will give you the answer fast. Now observe carefully how beautifully you can simplify once again. 8 into 10 is 80. Cancels with 80. Now what else can be cancelled? 4 and 4 can be cancelled. Remaining things are nothing but 7 into 9 is 63. 63 into 3, it is nothing but 189. 189 divided by 5. Sir, how can I calculate 189 divided by 5 in a faster way? These are all something which I myself has taught you in simplification class. Don't ever forget that simplification class. Enrolled students, if you have forgotten, please revisit and listen to it once again. Simplification is utmost important. Whenever denominator is 5, multiply by 2. Numerator also multiply by 2. Why am I multiplying and dividing by 2? For the simple reason that 189 into 2 is 378. 5 into 2 is 10. 378 by 10 is easier for us to tell it as 37.8. 189 by 5 is not that easier to tell it as 37.8. So milk is 37.8. But question says they want you to find water. Water is nothing but 80 minus 37.8. 80 minus 37 is 43. Right? Not 43 only, right, sir? Yes, 43.8. It is 42.2 liters. Answer for this question is 42.2 liters, which is option C. Is the audio clear right now, sir? Is the audio clear? Kindly check and update me right now. Is the audio clear? Is it still echoing? Is the audio clear? Request students to respond for it, sir. Okay, once again my next question is it too much of echo or is it manageable? If it is manageable, let us not worry about it. As I told some time before, manageable. Maybe spelling might be right, sir. I am sorry if it is a wrong spelling. Okay, beautiful. So students are saying that it is clear right now. Audio is clear right now. Beautiful, sir. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Now see here, sir. Question number 5. Now, this is also a similar kind of question only, but the options which were given in the examination are slightly little beautiful. The options are slightly good, sir. I could not print that option at that time or type that option, or my team could not do that. That is the reason I am writing that option right now. First option is 19 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 1 by 20 power 6. Similar kind of question only, but the option is what it matters in this question. Second option, 20 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 1 by 20 power 6. Option C, 19 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 1 by 20 power 5. Fourth option is 19 factorial divided by 13 factorial into 1 by 20 power 6. These are the 4 options which were given in the examination. I just wrote the options because it was not typed by the team. Right now, listen to this carefully. Now, first thing, Vinita, I will come back to you. I'll come back to you. Let us not worry about that part right now. Now, listen to this carefully. Now, same logic. The logic remains the same. If you understand the logic, you can definitely solve many questions. Now, see here. Question says, from a can of 20 liters milk, that means initial volume is 20 liters of pure milk. Initial volume is 20 liters of pure milk. Question says 7 liters are withdrawn and replaced with water. I am taking out 7 liters of milk and replaced with water. I am adding 7 liters of water. Again 6 liters are withdrawn and replaced with water. That means I am taking out 6 liters of mixture or solution right now and I am adding 6 liters of water once again. In the similar manner, the quantity of mixture withdrawn is decreased each time by 1 liter. That means next time how much it is? It is 5 liter solution taken out, 5 liter water is added. That means quantity of mixture withdrawn is decreased by 1 liter each time and replaced with water. That means after 5 liter of solution is taken out and 5 liter of water is added, next thing is 4 liters of mixture is taken out, 4 liter of water is added. Again it is 3 liters of mixture is taken out, 3 liters of water is added. And then it is 2 liters of mixture is taken out, 2 liters of water is added. Till when should I use the same process? It is there till this process is repeated, till 1 liter of mixture is withdrawn. That means the last step is 1 liter of mixture is taken out, 1 liter of water is added, and then it is replaced with 1 liter of water. Your question is, what will be the quantity of milk left in the final mixture? If you don't know the concept what I thought, you might have faced too much of difficulty in solving the question, but now this question is a very cakewalk. That means initially 20 liters of milk is present, which is pure by nature. 20 liters of pure milk was present, 7 liters of milk was taken out, 7 liter of water was added, 6 liter of solution was taken out, 6 liter of water was added, 5 liters of solution was taken out, 5 liter of water was added. Like that this keeps continuing till when 2 liter of solution is taken out, 2 liters of water is added, and then 1 liter of solution is taken out, 1 liter of water is added. Till this process keeps continuing. That means your question says find the final quantity of milk left in the final mixture. Anyway, in this question, if you observe, always work with the parameter that is decreasing. In this question also, milk is the parameter which is taken outside, so that is decreasing. So I should definitely work with milk parameter in this question also. Final quantity of milk is, initial quantity is nothing but 20. I will write down 20. Now everyone observe carefully. 7 out of 20 is taken out. 7 out of 20 is taken out. Remaining inside is 13 out of 20. How it is? Because 7 plus which number is 20? 7 plus 13 is only 20. Now 7 is added back, so it became 20 once again. 6 out of 20 is taken out. That means remaining is 14 out of 20. Similarly, 6 is added back. 20 is only there in the final mixture once again. 5 out of 20 is taken out. That means 5 by 20 is taken out. Remaining is 15 by 20. And then the process continues. That means next it will be 16 by 20 when 4 is taken out. When 3 solution is taken out, it will be 17 by 20. When 2 solution is taken out, it will be 18 by 20. And then when 1 liter of solution is taken out, it will be 19 by 20 remaining. I hope the idea is very clear for you. I wrote it little in a smaller font because I want it to be written in one liner. So but I believe that it is very clearly visible for you people. Now this will be my final answer for this question. Actually this is the final answer. You can simplify, you can cancel 20 and 20, and 14 is nothing but 2 into 7, 20 is 2 into 10, like that you can cancel and simplify few terms. But look at the answer options. Answer options are given in terms of factorials. Answer options are given in terms of factorials. What is the meaning of factorial? 5 factorial is start from 5, write till 1. Go back in the reverse direction, multiply everything. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which so many students might know it already. 7 factorial is, it is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You know this already. So what I will basically do is, I want this entire calculation to be expressed in terms of factorials. I want it to be expressed in terms of factorials. First thing is, one of the 20s I will cancel it. One of the 20s I will cancel it. Second thing is, if you observe the denominator, denominator is 20 is multiplied how many times? 20 is multiplied 5 times here, right? As of now 20 is multiplied 5 times. I hope you are understanding, sir, right? As of now 20 is multiplied 5 times. Now observe carefully. Can I say that numerator, what I will do is, I will multiply 1 into 3, 2 into 3 into, like that till 12 I will multiply. Sir, why are you doing this? I will not do any calculation mistakes, sir. I will divide it as well. If I multiply and divide by the same numbers, the calculation will not be changed anyway, which you also know it. So I am multiplying and dividing by 1 into 2 into 3 till 12. Why am I doing this? Observe carefully. Numerator already was having 13 into 14 into 15 till 19. Till 19 it was present already, right? Numerator already had this, and denominator is nothing but 20, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 is there. That means 20 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In fact, not 5 times, sir. I made a mistake there while saying 20 is multiplied 6 times in the denominator earlier itself. Why did I do like this? Is for the simple reason that I can make use of factorials. Now what is the numerator? 1 into 2 into 3 into 2, 4 into etc. till 12 into 13 into 14 etc. till 19. That is nothing but 19 factorial for you. That is nothing but 19 factorial. Denominator is 1 into 2 into 3 etc. till 12. It is nothing but 12 factorial multiplied with 1 divided by, already I have 20 power 6. I have expressed my answer in terms of factorials, and that is what is given in terms of answer options also. It is not that you should solve it however the way you want it, sir. You need to express however the way it is given in the options. Then only you can mark a particular option and move ahead for the next question. Otherwise, how will you do it? You cannot keep on multiplying 19 factorial and 12 factorial and dividing by it, right? I hope the idea is clear. Although this question is similar to previous question, but the question says it decreases by 1 liter every time until it becomes 1 liter solution is taken out, and the process keeps continuing till that point. And the second important thing in this question is answer options are given in terms of factorials. So answer for this question is option A, which is nothing but 19 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 1 by 20 power 6. I hope the idea is very clear with the first 5 questions whatever I have solved in this particular class. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat. Every student should comment in the live chat. Yes, Lakshmikant Reddy, 6 times I made a mistake while telling it, sir. 20 was not multiplied 5 times in the denominator, it was multiplied 6 times. You are right, sir. I made a mistake, but I corrected my mistake during the explanation once again. Answer is in factorial. You should express in terms of factorial. Now next, Vineet Rekha. Let me come to your point right now. Vineet Rekha, you are saying that please increase the pace. Now Vineet, this is for you, sir. This is for you. What I teach, I already introduced myself. My name is Ajay. What I teach is always keeping in mind. All the students who are listening to the class. All the students. I am not bothered about one student's success. I am worried about every student's success. I refer to ANC. I represent ANC. That means for some of the students you might think that I am very slow, but I am sorry. I cannot go like an express. I want each and every student to understand. Sir, if you ask me personally, Vineet, I can go so fast that even you will not understand anything. I can go in that pace as well, but I don't want that to happen, because every student have their own pace of learning. And I respect every student's opinion. I respect your opinion as well. But having said that, I also need to take care of so many other students who are actually not students of mathematics background. For them it becomes very difficult if I go at your pace. So I will definitely go at this pace itself for my upcoming classes as well, because I want every student to understand. But having said that, good that you pointed out that point, Vineet. I am very happy that you pointed out that point for all the students. Sir, you are going at your own pace because you are saying that you want every other student to understand the concept so easily. Correct, right, sir? You are going at a slow pace, which some students think that it is very slow, some students think that it is slow, some students think that it is actually the right pace to go with. But having said that, that is what ANC enrolled content will give you the benefit about. ANC enrolled content will actually help you to actually listen to all the classes at your own pace. At whatever the pace you want, you can listen to it, and at your own comfort, at whatever the time you want, you can listen to it. Wherever you want, you can listen to it. How many ever times you want, you can listen to it. You can listen to the same content not once, not twice, not thrice, not 4 times, not 5 times, but unlimited number of times. 24/7 access will be given. 365 days access will be given for students who have enrolled for 1 year validity. You can watch it unlimited number of times. That too at your own pace, at your own comfort level, at your own timings, at whatever the will and wish, whenever you want to listen to it. This is the beauty of ANC enrolled content. This is the beauty, sir. In simple language, you don't even have to wait for a person called as Ajay or Anil Nair to come and take a session for you. You are the boss of your own learning. You are the boss of your own learning. You are the boss. You can switch on to the online content whenever you want. Watch all the content. And the beauty about it is, we have segregated it for bank PO and other government exams. Bank PO and other government exams, we have segregated all the content. For placements, we have a separate content specially made for placements. For Staff Selection Commission SSC, we have a separate specially made content. For a beautiful MBA package CAT examination, mother of all the exam, we have a specially made content. That means definitely we have everything, we have each and every student in our mind. We have kept all the content. For placements, it is 180 to 200 hours of video content provided with so many PDFs for your better learning. So many PDFs are available for your better learning, and this will have, as I said, 24/7 access, 365 days access if you are going for 1 year validity. As I said, 365 days, 1 year huge validity will be there for you. You can watch it not once, not twice, unlimited number of times. All the topics, everything is covered, not even one topic is left out according to my knowledge. Similarly, bank and other government exams has some 270 to 300 hours of content. Power packed video content. These are all not some ordinary content, sir. These are all the shortcuts which I told you sometime before that it will amaze you. It will say wow. It will make you say wow for each and every content. Power packed online video content. You can watch it not once, not twice. You can keep on rewind. You can rewind, you can pause, you can replay, listen to the same content as many times as possible. And here also you have 1 year validity for this. 1 year huge validity will be there. And what else can I say about SSC exams? All the previous years SSC examinations questions are covered in each and every topic itself. Close to around 350 plus hours of power packed video content is present here. And so much of extra SSC content related PDFs will be also present here, where you can read the content, watch like a movie and understand and keep it in your mind forever. And this examination called as CAT exam, which is considered as the mother of all the exams, and this mother of all the exams, it has more than 420 to 450 hours of beautiful content. It is the highest level examination anyone can write in India, sir. In India, highest level of examination with respect to aptitude, reasoning and verbal. 450 hours of content, so much of PDFs, and all these things will have practice questions related to individual placements or bank SSC or CAT or whatever it is. Extra practice questions will be given to you. Mocks will be provided for you for CAT and SSC, CAT examinations. In fact, so many things are happening in the back end. So many recordings are happening, as I told in the first half of my session. So many extra content we are recording. We are trying to help all the students who are actually dreaming of cracking an MBA examination, CAT exam, and making it to the top 30 B schools, getting into IIMs. And we are trying to help each and every student who are preparing for SSC from the last 2 years, but probably they could not make it and they are struggling in SSC examination to clear it. We are actually helping each and every student to crack and help them realize their dreams. For everyone's information, in our website, CAT price is given as 24,367 rupees for 1 year validity. And if I go for banking for 1 year validity, it is 8,850 plus taxes. 8,850 plus taxes. For placements, some of the students might be satisfied only to go for placements. Their price is 4,720 plus taxes. And if you are preparing for SSC examination, if you are looking for 1 year huge validity, SSC examination, if I remember right, I think the last price what I remember for SSC examination, which was provided in our website, it is nothing but somewhere around 10,500 rupees plus taxes, right? 10,500 plus tax. But whatever the price I have mentioned right now in our website, these are all for 1 year validity, sir. But there might be some students who are thinking that, sir, I am satisfied only for 3 months validity. I only need 3 months validity. Sir, I only need 6 months validity. and there might be some students who think they need 1 year validity. We have 3 different validities, 3 months, 6 months and validity, and for every student, only 15 students, for every of these 15 students who message me to my WhatsApp number right after I complete the class in the next 2 minutes of time, for only the first 15 students, I will not give today's price. I will not give it 8,850 for you. I will give it at a beautiful discounted price. Placement will not be 4,720. It will be beautiful discounted price. And 10,500 will not be SSC package. It will be beautiful discounted price. And CAT, definitely don't think that I will give it for you at 24,367, sir. That is the price available in website where some other students who did not listen to my class can purchase. But definitely not for you people. First 15 students will get it at a beautiful discounted price. All you have to do is you should WhatsApp me to my WhatsApp number right now. I will send you the discounted price. Within the first 15 students, you need to enroll and grab the opportunity. Sir, I am not grabbing the opportunity today. Thank you very much. All the best for you. You can pay it at a little higher price and purchase whenever you want to. But I am giving it a discounted price. It is completely up to you, sir. Lakshmikant has a doubt. Sir, for SSC aptitude only or all the sections are there in the package? All the sections are included, sir. Aptitude, reasoning, verbal, everything is included. Not only for SSC, in fact for placements everything is there. Bank everything is there. CAT everything is there. It is not only for aptitude. Anil Nair classes is not aptitude Nair classes. ANC, A does not stand for aptitude. A stands for Anil. It is Anil Nair classes, not aptitude Nair classes. So it is not only aptitude. Entire content is present here. Entire content is present. And let me show it to you people. I have so many varieties of questions. This process is repeated 2 times. Next, if you see and continue, if you continue further, then I have 200 liters of petrol. So pure and impure kind of variety of question once again coming. It is coming there. So next, if you see, I have another question wherein I have percentages. So percentage kind of questions how to handle, like that. So many varieties are there. I will either try to take a class tomorrow, or I will try to record it in the backend and upload for all the enrolled students, because I personally believe that every enrolled student deserves my salutes for dedicating their efforts and telling that I am damn sure ANC will hold my hand in my toughest times, and we will for you people, sir. We will definitely for you. Thank you everyone. I am signing off. Thank you everyone. Praveen Kumar, what that beautiful discount? Can't you reveal here? I will reveal in my WhatsApp number, which I have already given, sir. If I reveal here or there, it makes no difference. But I need to sign off immediately because of some reason. That is the reason I am signing off immediately. Thank you everyone for attending the session, sir. Have a very, very happy night. Thank you. I am signing off. First 15 students, sir. Only first 15 students grab it. Sir, not grabbing it, up to you. I wish you all the best in future.